Yes, they were always together.
They were inseparable.
I have been his best friend till the 10th standard.
This is the place where the suicide actually took place. This is the epicenter of all controversy.
अरे मिश्रा जी, अरे सुनील बाबू कैसे हैं?
मिठाई कहाँ है?
अरे यार मिठाई होगा इसमें।
सुना है बड़ा अच्छा मार्क्स लाया बेटा ने।
हाँ कुछ 93.2% लाया है, अच्छा ही है।
अब तो साइंस करेगा बेटा।
हाँ साइंस तो करना ही है।
आईआईटी का कोचिंग भी करेगा। आईआईटी में चांस भी मिलेगा।
देखते हैं ईश्वर पर।
बड़ा एमएनसी में नौकरी करेगा, लाखों में खेलेगा।
हाँ।
और एक मेरा नालायक को देखिए, 78% मार्क्स लाया है, कॉमर्स लेगा, क्या करेगा जिंदगी में?
बच्चा है यार, बच्चे का मन तो पूछ लोगे।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Morning, ma'am.
My son has got 70%, but still, why can't he get into the science stream?
With this percentage, man, science is not possible.
But I want my son to be in the science stream.
Then you better speak to father.
Please fill this receipt and meet the principal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manav. Congratulations. Well done, well done. Go, meet father.
What is your registration number, Manav?
1523, Father.
Great God! Awesome marks in the boards. It's enough to get you into any stream anywhere in the country. But surely you will continue with us, won't you, Manav?
Yes, Father, but I.
This is seat for science stream, father, please.
Science?
Thank you, Father.
You are welcome.
Thank you, father. चलो बेटा।
But Papa, I.
चलो बेटा।
मानना पड़ेगा भाई, मिश्रा जी का दिल बहुत बड़ा है। एक बार आप पार्टी मांगे और पार्टी दे दिए।
सच 93% का ना कोई मजाक नहीं। मानव ने तो कमाल कर दिया। हाँ, अब इनका सपना पूरा होगा। ये तो तुमने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, इन्हीं का सपना पूरा होगा। वरना मानव को तो मैं जानती हूँ ना, कवि हृदय का है।
अब देखिए, इतना परसेंटेज के बाद बेटा को साइंस तो मिल ही गया। भाभी बोली अब लड़का इंजीनियरिंग का तैयारी करेगा, बड़ा एमएनसी में नौकरी करेगा, लाखों में खेलेगा।
मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के पैकेजेस इतने अट्रैक्टिव होते हैं, मानव को तो अब साइंस मिल ही जाएगा।
मिल जाएगा नहीं रश्मि, मिल गया।
खाना कैसा बनाया? ठीक बनाया?
बहुत अच्छा बनाया, बहुत सही।
Very good. Your parents must be very proud. Though you could have done better. 93.2 is fine. Though 95 would have looked better. The topper. वो कहाँ है?
I'm here. Afad bhai, mast किया. Ready to follow your dreams?
Dreams? हाँ. ये है मेरा फ्यूचर. न्यूटन और पाइथागोरस. साइंस पढ़ना है. आईआईटी कोचिंग जाना है.
क्या? आईआईटी कोचिंग के लिए जाएगा? पागल है? फी क्या है? मुझे भी ले चलता.
Shut up. There is no need to get course. And what else shall you do if not take up science?
Have you told your parents?
Told what?
That you want to take up arts?
Everyone is so hypnotized that I want to study science. How can I just go and say something so unexpected, which totally breaks their fixed idea? Anyway, what's the use? They'll never let me. They should never. And why are you polluting his mind?
I'm not polluting it. I'm helping him retain his mind. Manav, listen to me. At least try once. They are your parents. They will understand.
You think so?
What harm can it do? Look, your father's coming. Try talking to him.
तो बेटे, आज तो तूने मेरा सर फख्र से ऊंचा कर दिया. सारे लोग तेरी तारीफ करते हुए नहीं थक रहे थे. जीते रहो बेटे, जीते रहो. तब आगे क्या मर्जी है? पीसीएम या पीसीबी? मेरा बेटा इंजीनियरिंग में जाएगा या मेडिकल में?
पापा.
हाँ हाँ बोलो बेटे.
पापा मुझे साइंस नहीं लेना है.
साइंस नहीं लेनी है? साइंस नहीं लेनी है तो क्या कॉमर्स लोगे? मेरा राजा बेटा आर्ट्स लेगा. आर्ट्स लेकर करोगे क्या? पागल. माई ओनली सन हैज गॉन मैड. कहता है कि आर्ट्स लेगा. तुम्हारे जैसा 93% और 93% से ज्यादा मार्क्स लाने वाले बच्चे आर्ट्स लेते हैं क्या? अरे आर्ट्स तो वैसे विद्यार्थियों के लिए है जो 60% या 60% से कुछ ज्यादा ले आ पाते हैं. तुम्हारे जैसे ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट के लिए साइंस ही एक ऑप्शन है बेटे. साइंस ही एक ऑप्शन है.
बट पापा मुझे आर्ट्स ही लेना है. मुझे तो साइंस ठीक से समझ में भी नहीं आती है. 10th तक तो जैसे तैसे मैनेज कर लिया, पर आगे की पढ़ाई तो और मुश्किल है. मैं नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा.
ओह, अब समझा. मेरा राजा बेटा मेहनत करने से जी चुराता है. अरे बेटे, साइंस में थोड़ी ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, लेकिन साइंस साइंस है बेटे.
ऐसी बात नहीं है पापा. मैं सचमुच आर्ट्स पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. फिजिक्स पढ़ने से ज्यादा मजा तो मुझे इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ने में आती है. यही सच है.
सच है? यही सच है? आर्ट्स पढ़ के तुम करोगे क्या? कितना कमा लोगे? साइंस पढ़ोगे, मेडिकल या इंजीनियरिंग में जाओगे, डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर बन सकते हो. किसी बड़ी कंपनी या बड़े अस्पताल में नौकरी कर सकते हो. लाखों कमा सकते हो, लाखों कमा सकते हो बेटे. तुम्हारे बाप ने धूप में बाल सफेद नहीं किए हैं. क्या अपने बेटे को यह भी नहीं बतला सकता है कि उसके लिए क्या सही है और क्या गलत है? मुझे देखो, मुझे देखो. मैंने पॉलिटिकल साइंस में एमए किया है. एमए क्या कमा लेता हूं. और वहीं शर्मा जी को देखो, लाखों कमाते हैं, लाखों.
What harm can it do indeed? Well, it might get him a nice juicy thrashing if his dad gets angry enough. Arts indeed. Who takes arts these days? Third divisioners, that's who.
Someone has to start a change.
Certainly not. You, my friend, have an ulterior motive in sending him to his dad. I like that. Becoming just like me.
Actually, you're right. I can very well predict what will happen between the father and the son. Manav's father will ask him about the future prospects of arts, but Manav won't be able to answer. How can he? 80% of the schools in our country do not have a proper arts faculty. There's no social awareness of the potential of arts. All that students know is to take up science, or in some cases commerce. It isn't Manav's fault after all, if he's not able to answer his dad's questions.
Well, then why did you send him?
I wanted to give the father a chance. What if something untoward happens tomorrow? At least this conversation will be on the records. His father will have an insight into his son's mind. Not that I have much hope.
You know what? Just being silly. More than that, playing with the boy's future. Unforgivable. Oh, but I like that. My area of expertise.
मानव, come here. इधर आ. ये आज का लाइन.
The rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force applied, and the change takes place in the direction of the force. This is Newton's second law of motion, and it deals with force. You must have dealt with force in the lower classes, isn't it? Yes, sir. So I don't think we should waste time in explaining it again.
अरे, what's the definition of force? याद है?
Shall we ask now, sir?
Mad or what?
Why not?
Silence! Miss Ghosh, what was the thing more interesting than my physics class? That your neighbor has muttered in your ears?
Sir, we were just...
Never speak until you ask for. Now speak.
Sir, we were just discussing if you could revise the concept of force with us.
What? Did I hear it correctly? You two 90% mark holders, want me to revise the concept of force? Do you agree, Miss Ghosh?
No, sir, not me. Only me.
This is the problem of present flawed education system. Getting marks simply by mugging up. No stress on understanding. It pains really to see such undeservers getting admission to science stream. Will you please go back and sit on the last bench? Anyone else who need a revision on concept of force may follow him. Insult to science.
अरे यार छोड़ना, टीचर तो ऐसे ही खड़ूस है.
चल यार, गलती वैसे गई थी. कोई बात नहीं, छोड़. Just leave me alone.
Friends are not supposed to leave you.
Friends? If you were such good friends, then why were you laughing at me?
I wasn't laughing.
Just go.
छोड़ने यार, बहुत भाव खा रहा है.
Let's go.
बहुत हो गया यार. I want to give up now. It's been 21 days. I have tried as hard as I could. It's just not my cup of tea.
Tea? But I thought you loved coffee.
It's serious, man.
I was serious. You were studying something you never wanted to.
I never understood either. You know, had I understood it, I would have still remembered it. like the Anthony speech from Shakespeare or that poem of Frost. But this, I just mugged it up.
Well, Rouser's right.
What is it all about?
Science is easy. He can do it. He surely can. But why should he?
Wait, Chupre. You must help me with this. How shall I escape? Should I run away?
That won't help.
So what to do?
Use your art. Non servatum.
What, are you mad? You are teaching him forgery. It's the only option left, you know.
Once he's finished his 11th in arts, his dad can't force him into science.
It's wrong.
Definitely it is. But it is a choice between two wrongs. And this, my dear Lucifer, is the lesser wrong.
I was saying that the three witches ought to be made to look more impressive. After all, they are the symbols of evil.
Ma'am, may I come in?
Yes, come in, Manav. Manav Mishra is one of the converts of our school. He's made a rather rare choice. A lot of students of our class are leaving for commerce, and here we have Manav, who's joining our class. We all welcome you, Manav. Do take a seat. You don't have your books, do you?
No, teacher.
Then why don't you sit with Avantika, second row, second bench? You have a lot of catching up to do, Manav. We are trying to enact Macbeth amongst ourselves. Yes, Rohan, what were you trying to say?
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that the three witches ought to be made to look more impressive. After all, they are the symbols of evil and they must look the part. For instance, the first one must have a red short rolling eyes and have the characteristic hooked chin and nose of a witch.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, Manav.
Ma'am, I believe that evil, to be really chilling to the core, must be more ordinary and down to earth. The sense of exaggeration, when it enters the character playing a villain, lessens his power to frighten. Also, it will appeal directly to the psychology of the audience.
Excellent. Are you interested in debating too?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why don't you join the debating club? That would be nice.
Sure.
So, Picasso, what is this?
This is the good me, and that is the bad me. Oh God, I'm late for my Robin Hood practice.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See ya. Left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left,
First and second flanks, kneel. Archers, ready. Aim and release.
Good evening, everyone. The annual debate of 2011 has now come to an end, and the much awaited moment is here. The prizes are going to be declared. The judges have compiled the results, and the lucky winners of this evening are: the third prize this evening goes to Rahul Sinha. Rahul, would you please come up on stage? Wonderful performance by Rahul. The second prize goes to Jairaj Singh. And now, the most coveted prize, the much awaited first prize, which goes to Manav Mishra.
good place. Nice choice, Manisha.
अरे कल ही तो आए थे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ। यहाँ का चिकन आफत होता है।
बस जहाँ गई कि नहीं कि चिकन चिकन चिकन, लड़की है शेरनी।
एग्जैक्टली। जो तू समझ। पर एनीवेज, congrats मानव।
Thanks. You two spoke very well.
Thanks.
ये डिबेट में तुम लोगों को क्या मजा आता है? I don't understand. तो बोर हो जाते हैं।
एक नंबर, मेरा भी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यही है। I think our friendship will go a long way.
Sure it will. What do you think, Manav?
No comments.
दीदी आइसक्रीम। Don't irritate me. दीदी प्लीज मुझे खाना है। कोई प्लीज इसके लिए ऑर्डर करो ना आइसक्रीम।
Waiter, can we have a chocolate ice cream here, please?
Good morning, Mr. Banerjee.
Good morning to you too, sir.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Been playing any golf recently?
Me? Golf? We are good.
Using a German on me, are you?
Oh, it's just a term for very good, sir.
It'll be nice to have somebody with German, with global exposure in the company. I'm sure we'll have a good time working
You
together.
can bet on that.
This is my lovely daughter, Avantika. Avantika, Mr. Banerjee, just
Hello.
returned from Germany, is a new recruit in the company.
So, what do you do?
Studying in Standard 11.
Ah, which stream?
Arts.
Arts. Okay, very fancy. But what are your future plans?
I want to be a linguist.
So you'll be babbling a lot of languages soon, is it?
That's a polyglot, not a linguist. Global exposure indeed.
You're a toughie. But tell me something. Your dad's a businessman. How is this linguistics thing going to help you take over his business?
What makes you feel that I'm going to take over his business?
It's obvious, isn't it?
No, I don't think it's obvious. Had I thought, I feel a person should go in more for his dreams rather than follow his obligations. Had I gone in for my father's business, do you think I would have had all this? My father never forced me to join his business. So I don't think I should force my daughter.
You have a great father.
Come on, let's go and have something cold to drink.
Yeah, sure.
अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो बेटे? इधर आओ।
जी पापा।
मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए कुछ है बेटे। ये टिस्को अप्रेंटिस का फॉर्म है, इसे भर दो। क्वेश्चंस फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और मैथमेटिक्स से साधारण क्वेश्चंस हैं, तुम आराम से कर सकते हो बेटे। कुछ 15 दिनों के बाद एग्जाम है। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि अगर तुम पास कर जाते हो तो आगे पढ़ने के लिए टाटा पैसे देगी, साथ साथ हो सकता है बाद में नौकरी भी दे।
ठीक है पापा।
Are back already?
No man. Papa wants me to fill up this stupid form and give some Tata Apprentice exam.
And what about your history project?
I guess it has to wait for 15 days. I have to study something for this stupid exam, you know.
Now that is the most intelligent thing you've said in weeks.
So, when are you telling your father?
There is no need to tell it. Now that you have done it, do not advertise it.
No, Pinay meant to hide it. He has to eat up someday. It would be bad if it is known from some other source. You cannot escape, Manav.
I am not escaping. And why are you always pressurizing me to do stuff I don't want to? I'm going to go change now.
Where?
I need to go and buy some stuff for my history project.
बेवकूफ, नालायक, एक साधारण एग्जाम भी तुम क्लियर नहीं कर सके। सारे प्रश्न तुम्हारे पहले के किए हुए थे, यहां तक कि थापा की बेटी ने भी क्लियर किया, और तुम, वो भी बिना ट्यूशन के, और तुम आईआईटी कोचिंग जाकर भी नहीं कर सके। नालायक कहीं के।
Didn't clear it, did you? I knew it beforehand. Didn't want to discourage you.
Forget it. If you didn't qualify it, you didn't. Big deal. Let's go congratulate Shruti, Thapaji's daughter.
Thapaji? I don't want to hear a word about Thapaji or his daughter.
Why? Because she cleared the exam you couldn't? She cleared the exam only because she is more interested in science than you are.
Don't listen to him.
You need not be jealous. You would have easily cleared it if it would be based on arts. There's no need to feel inferior.
Of course there is. A girl did something he couldn't.
Will you shut up? And you tell me, who will even think of organizing such a scholarship test with art subjects? Who even cares for arts? How many schools in the city even have an arts faculty? As an art student, I am nobody. Nobody.
Well, you just made a choice.
A wrong one. Everyone can do arts. Anyone can do literature.
Yes, yes. My point exactly.
Everyone can do science. Only a few do arts.
I bet Shruti can.
Come. Things aren't that bad.
That bad? They are worse. Papa was just an inch away from hitting me today.
Calm down, man. Calm down. Outbursts help no one.
Papa को बोलना हो सब.
I suggest you do something completely different. Maybe congratulate Shruti. Worse is yet to come.
Congrats, Shruti.
Thank you.
You know, I too gave the apprentice exam, although I could not qualify. How did you?
अब क्या बताओ भैया, बस साइंस में मज़ा आता है।
बिना ट्यूशन के?
नहीं भैया, ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी। हमारी टीचर बहुत अच्छी है, और फिर साइंस ही तो एक सब्जेक्ट है जो पसंद है, समझ आती है।
और लिटरेचर?
बोर्ड्स में तो धक्का मार के पास हुई। पोइट्री कुछ समझ नहीं आती।
ऐसा क्यों?
अब क्यों का क्या जवाब है?
आ गए साहबजादे, साइंस की क्लास करके। सुनो जी, जरा पुलिस को फोन लगाना, तो इसे लॉकअप में दे दूं। 3-4 दिन पुलिस लॉकअप में रहेगा, सारा का सारा क्रिमिनल एटीट्यूड हवा हो जाएगा।
क्या कह रहे हैं जी? ये अपना बच्चा है, ऐसा मत कहिए।
ऐसा ना कहूं, पूछो तो इससे। पिछले 6 महीने से ये हमारे साथ क्या जाती करते आया है, हमारे मेहनत और विश्वास का ये क्या सिला दे रहा है हमें। ये देखो। पिछले 6 महीने से स्कूल में साइंस क्लासेस के बदले आर्ट्स फैकल्टी की क्लास कर रहा है। यही कारण है, सिर्फ यही कारण है कि एक अदना सा अप्रेंटिस एग्जाम भी ये नहीं क्लियर कर पाया। आखिर करता भी कैसे? केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स छोड़कर आइंस्टीन और न्यूटन को तो वहां से पलासी की लड़ाई लड़वा रहे थे।
क्या ये सच है बेटा? तूने पापा का झूठा सिग्नेचर किया? तूने ये नहीं सोचा कि झूठा सिग्नेचर करना एक क्राइम है?
माँ, मुझे साइंस समझ नहीं आती थी।
समझ में नहीं आती है। अब रोकर सिंपैथी लेने की कोशिश मत करो। 16 साल के हो गए हो, फर्जरी करनी आ गई है, लेकिन साइंस समझ में नहीं आई। सविता, मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ, पुलिस को फोन करो।
पागल हुए हैं क्या? पुलिस लॉकअप में जाके सुधरेगा? किसने कहा आपसे?
अपने क्रिमिनल बेटे के ज्यादा पक्ष लेने की तुम कोशिश मत करो। पिछले 6 महीने से ये क्या कर रहे हैं तुम्हें पता है? मेरे खून पसीने की कमाई से फालतू आर्ट्स की किताबें खरीद कर उसे पढ़ रहा।
जो हो गया सो हो गया, अब बेवजह गुस्सा करके कुछ नहीं होगा। आ बेटा, तू प्रॉमिस कर बेटा, तू अगले साल साइंस में एडमिशन लेगा। प्रॉमिस कर बेटा।
लो, अब हमारे सुपुत्र लड़कियों के चक्कर में भी हैं। अवंतिका, वाह बेटे वाह, खूब नाम रोशन कर रहे हो। अब समझा आर्ट्स क्यों लेना चाहते हो। क्लास लड़कियों से तो भरी होगी। जाओ अपने कमरे में जाओ।
Dear Papa, I am so sorry I let you down. Science is something so difficult for me. I tried so hard doing it, but I could not. All I got was the scolding and ridicule of my teachers. I felt as if every teacher and every classmate of mine was secretly jeering at me. Your anger was justified, Papa, and my forgery was not. I could have done science. I would have accepted being mediocre and continued. But I chose to differ, to be the shepherd and not the sheep, because science was not for me. I know the gravity of my decision and what I am up against, an orthodox society. All that I wanted was your support. I just followed my destiny. Sorry, science is not my cup of tea, Papa. I give up. Manav.
What does this mean? Why have you written give up at the end? Running away? Will it solve anything?
Will staying here solve anything? On my own, at least I can work somewhere part-time and study arts.
Yes. I believe you can.
It isn't that easy, Manav. You do not have the first idea of life of your own. What will you do? Where will you go? And where will you stay?
I will ask Avantika. She might be able to help me out. Her father is an industrialist. He might give me some job. Any job.
Have you ever thought that this letter of yours will change your father's heart?
Did you see my father's angry eyes today? Those eyes will never really read or understand my letter.
Then why write it in the first place?
Someone might. After I have...
After you have what?
हेलो सविता, तुम हो ना? अरे कब तक मायके में रहोगे भाई? यहाँ तुम्हारा बेटा क्या कर रहा है पता है तुम्हें? घर छोड़कर भाग गया हो। हाँ, एक चिट्ठी लिखा है और घर छोड़कर निकल गया है। अरे हाँ भाई, जा रहा हूं, उसी को ढूंढने जा रहा हूं भाई। अरे हाँ, अरे उस सिंघानिया का कोई आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस था, साहबजादे वहीं गए होंगे और कहाँ होंगे। मैं जा रहा हूं, हाँ जस्ट जा रहा हूं, और तुम जल्द से आने का कोशिश करो। ठीक, ओके।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen from the press. I am Harsh Singhania, Managing Director of Singhania Pharmaceuticals. I'd like to thank you very much for joining us over here for the launch of our new product, Dando Free. This is going to be a landmark movement for the company since we are moving from pharmaceuticals into the cosmetic world. I have two of my general managers here with me, Mr. Banerjee and Mr. Sajjan, who will be only too glad to help you out with any of your doubts. First question.
Sir, from Tata Times. Yeah, which is the market that you are targeting now?
Right now we are targeting the rural areas of Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal.
Why not the other? Why you have selected these areas? Why not other?
See, these areas are developing right now at a very rapid scale, and since we are launching our product at a lower market price than our competitors, we ensure and we expect to go in more customers.
Marshall from the Evening News. Are there any side effects of your beauty product?
No sir, there are no side effects.
पापा अभी मेरे को आर्ट्स नहीं पढ़ने देंगे।
I try to convince your parents. Don't cry now. What? Where are you going?
I don't know. And if you're not going to help me, I might as well leave the city.
You turn out to be a laborer or what?
अच्छा, तो समाज को नई दिशा देने वाले मेरे सुपुत्र यहाँ हैं और अपने आर्ट्स के इंस्पिरेशन की नायिका के साथ नए सफर की तैयारी में।
सर मैं
पर पापा आपको कैसे पता था कि मैं यहाँ पर रहूँगा?
अपने बाप को ना समझ और बेवकूफ समझना बंद करो। जो सारे शहर को पता है वो मुझे पता नहीं होगी। तुम्हारी सोच तुम्हें कहां तक ले जा सकती है, क्या ये मैं नहीं समझ सकता?
सर, आप मानव को गलत समझ रहे हैं।
देखिए रहीजादी जी, आप हमारे बीच न पड़े तो अच्छा है। मैं अपने बेटे से बात कर रहा हूं। मानो, मेरी आंखों में आंखें डाल के बोलो, क्या तुम घर छोड़ के भाग रहे थे? क्या सोचे थे? जैसा फिल्मों में होता है वैसा होगा? माँ बाप विलन है, लड़का लड़की घर छोड़ के भाग जाते हैं, पेड़ों के बीच दौड़कर गाना गाते हैं, उनमें शादी हो जाती है और पता नहीं क्या क्या। नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं है। देखो, दोनों 18 साल से कम उम्र के हो। इसका बाप लड़की भगाने में साथ देने के जुर्म में मुझे तो जेल के अंदर करेगा और फिर अपने पैसे और ताकत के बल पर जहां तुम दोनों रहोगे ढूंढ लेगा। अपनी बेटी को तो निर्दोष साबित करके घर ले जाएगा और तुम्हें मेरे साथ जेल की हवा खाने के लिए छोड़ जाएगा। थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल बनो बेटे, प्रैक्टिकल बनो। क्यों इस लड़की की जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हो? चलो चलो मेरे साथ घर चलो, चलो चलो। तुम्हारे बाप से तो मैं कल बात करता हूं।
Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Dad.
So, you never told us you have a boyfriend, Manav?
Manav, he's not my boyfriend.
Go and tell this to all those people who have read this paper. I have received 16 calls from my kitty party members inquiring about it, consoling me. I am the chairperson of the committee. Is this expected out of you? The media never lies. The media has made a mess of my life, and my kitty members are enjoying at my cost. Don't you care about my reputation and your father's?
Why do you listen to what people say? I am your daughter.
Exactly. That's the point. Better you got to go to school each day. You have to spend 7 hours of the day among your friends. Do you think you'll be able to manage all the jeering, all the remarks passed at you, and the faces made at you in school?
Yes, I can. What I can't handle is that my own parents are having trust issues with their only daughter.
We trust you. We want to trust you. But
we trust you. We love you. We care for you. Come here. Listen, this isn't justified. You shouldn't be talking to someone who has no respect for your father at all. Just look at the mess he's made up of my press conference.
Dad, he's not my boyfriend. Can't I be friends with a boy?
With some other boy, yes. But this Manav fellow, no. Now this is settled.
अरे भाई देखिए आज का मेन पेज में क्या दिया हुआ है। नामी उद्योगपति की बेटी प्रेम पास में भाग जाने की तैयारी। विश्वस्त सूत्रों से पता चला है कि शहर के प्रसिद्ध स्कूल के एक छात्र के साथ जाने माने उद्योगपति की बेटी अवंतिका ने घर छोड़कर भाग जाने की योजना बनाई है। लड़का स्कूली छात्र मानव मिश्रा है। उनका मिलना जुलना उनके परिवार को पसंद नहीं, इसलिए उन पर किसी प्रकार का बंधन लगाया जाए, इसके पहले वे दोनों घर तथा शहर छोड़कर भाग जाने की योजना बनाते दिखाई दिए। देखो देखो वही है लड़की, कैसे शान से चल रही है बेशरम।
वही लड़की कौन बोल रहा है? वही लड़की तो थी।
Good morning. Please sit down.
What? Why are you leaving? I don't want to sit beside your type of a girl.
What do you mean by my type of a girl?
I read the newspaper.
Manav is absent. Do I have a chance?
Just shut up.
Manav? Absent, I see.
But his girlfriend is present.
Avantika, come here. The rest of you answer question 4 and 5 on page 63.
Dad's a businessman. And daughter, a celebrity. Nice.
Teacher, it's all lies. I don't understand why they have made an issue out of this unnecessarily.
And what about half the staff room who have seen the two of you cuckooing on several occasions?
Teacher, we just talk about the school staff and...
Child, we all make mistakes. It's only fair to own up and move on. You have a romantic relationship with Manav, so just own up. The entire school knows. We are not that stupid. Think about your future. This will lead you nowhere. Try and understand, child. I bet you don't know a word of the chapter World War I, but you surely know why Manav is absent today.
No, teacher, how would I know that? We don't even get to talk these days.
Okay, go back.
Yes, Avantika.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Please sit down. What have you done, my child? You have spoilt your name and your school's name too. Beta, you have to be careful. At this age, you cannot afford to make such mistakes.
It's nothing like that, teacher. We are just friends. Actually, we were. I don't understand how all this got into the news.
Please be careful. If anything like this happens again, remember, you will be suspended. Now you go to your class.
So the difference between the state and the nation is Avantika, could you tell the class what I was teaching?
Teacher,
Come, we don't have all day. But how can you tell? You are thinking about Manav, I'm sure.
Teacher, this is nonsense. You just need a reason to accuse me.
Get out of my class. And you will not come to my class for a month. I'll speak to Father regarding it after the class. Lord!
Good morning, teacher. Hello, good morning, children. So, you're busy with your work? Where are your friends, Manav and Avantika? I haven't seen them since long time. Are you sure you all are not going to get into the same mess as Manav and Avantika got into?
Not teacher.
Okay, keep it up. Well done.
Ma'am, may I have an extra sheet?
देखो देखो वही है लड़की कैसे शान से चल रही है बेशरम।
And what about half the staff room who have seen the two of you cuckooing on several occasions?
You have spoilt your name and your school's name too.
सर, आप मानव को गलत समझ रहे हैं।
देखिए रहजादी जी, आप हमारे बीच न पड़े तो अच्छा है।
You are thinking about Manav, I'm sure.
Teacher, this is nonsense. You just need a reason to accuse me.
Get out of my class.
Why are you crying, man? Why are you crying?
I failed in my exams.
Nah, कुछ नहीं होता। चल ना यार, छोड़। अगले बार कर लेना। We'll do it यार, चल continue।
हेलो मानव, मैं फेल हो गई। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फेस माई पेरेंट्स।
Give me that phone, yeah. Look at this. Aren't you satisfied after that day what happened?
Dad, this is the last time I'm talking to him. Trust me.
Trust you? How do you expect me to trust you? Boys, boys, boys. That is all you're interested in. Not one bit of interest in your studies. Any wonder you failed in your exams? Now get back to your room and mind we see you out to your room again.
Dad, I hate you. I hate you both.
कमरे से तभी बाहर आना जब तुम्हारी शादी होगी.
It has been 48 days that you haven't been out.
Hey, seems you and your girlfriend are in the news again. You never told us about your elopement plan, which failed. What an article. They say you and she were inseparable lovers.
Please. I do not love her. No.
Your dad called Avantika's dad. Avantika has been staying away from school and is thoroughly depressed. No. And was even beaten. Imagine a beaten face, scarred, brown, in pain.
No. No.
Your only friend. Pain because of you and your love.
I do not love her. I don't. No.
How does it matter? The whole world thinks so. No one heard you when you said your story. No one heard Avantika either. Your girlfriend.
She is not.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You caused it all. You, Manav Mishra.
No.
Your mom and dad are not talking to you, are they? Your only friend Avantika. Oh, sorry. Your girlfriend Avantika is away. And your good is quiet. You have no counsel. Take a decision. Oh, and the best part. See this. Unable to bear the humiliation, she committed suicide. You killed your best friend.
Yes. Yes, I did.
I'm standing outside Avantika's house. This is the place where the suicide actually took place. This is the epicenter of all controversy. Why did Avantika kill herself one day before Manav's death? Was she pregnant? These are some of the questions which remain unanswered. This is Anamitra Datta reporting from Channel 99.
This is the famous school where the couple Manav and Avantika used to study. It is said that they were very close to each other and were always seen together. Please note that on a sympathetic ground, we have not taken the interview with the parents of the students. However, I have a few students here with me who were their friends. Let us hear what they have to say. Were they always together?
Yes, they were always together.
They were inseparable.
I have been his best friend till the 10th standard.
Were they only friends, or was there something more between them?
I don't think so. But yes, they were always together.
Do you think that they were romantically inclined?
I don't think so. They were found quite often in the library together, that to study and also during the free periods.
आत्महत्या विशेषकर इस उम्र में एक ज्वलंत समस्या है। इस पर गंभीरता से विचार करने की आवश्यकता हम आप सब महसूस करते हैं। आज हम अपने स्टूडियो में शहर की जानी मानी मनोवैज्ञानिक डॉक्टर अंजलि सिन्हा से इस विषय पर विचार विमर्श करते हैं। डॉक्टर अंजलि, आपकी दृष्टि में इन आत्महत्याओं के क्या कारण हो सकते हैं?
मेरे ख्याल से इस समस्या का प्रमुख कारण तनाव या स्ट्रेस है। इस उम्र में भी कई तरह के स्ट्रेस होते हैं, जैसे कि पढ़ाई लिखाई के बोझ का बच्चों पर दबाव, खेलकूद और जब उन्हें मन मुताबिक काम करने की आज़ादी नहीं मिलती है।
क्या इस स्थिति के पीछे अभिभावक या स्कूल तो जिम्मेवार नहीं?
कुछ हद तक दोनों जिम्मेवार हैं। पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत हाई होती हैं। जो काम वे स्वयं नहीं कर पाते, उनकी पूर्ति वे अपने बच्चों में देखना चाहते हैं। स्कूल में पीयर प्रेशर का दबाव और फिर पढ़ाई का तो बोझ है ही।
डॉक्टर अंजलि, इस समस्या का कोई तो उपाय होगा?
इस समस्या का समाधान है, परंतु इसके लिए हम सबको प्रयत्नशील होना होगा। क्या पेरेंट्स, क्या समाज, क्या विद्यालय, सबको अहम रोल अदा करना है।
पापा, आपने बचपन से हमें जो संस्कार दिए हैं, उनके बावजूद भी मैंने फॉर्जरी कर आपको दुख पहुंचाया है। क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता कि इसके पीछे कोई बहुत बड़ा कारण होगा? मैं आपके सभी सपने पूरे करूंगा, पर उसके लिए आज के इस मल्टी डायमेंशनल ज़माने में साइंस पढ़ना ज़रूरी नहीं है। इस दुनिया में सफल होने के लिए तो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और सेल्फ बिलीफ होना चाहिए। सब्जेक्ट कोई मायने नहीं रखता है।
देखो बेटे, मैं तो रेडियो और ब्लैक एंड वाइट टीवी जमाने का हूँ। मेरे लिए तो पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब और खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब ही सही है। तुम आईटी और टैबलेट कंप्यूटर युग के लड़के हो। आज की ग्लोबल विलेज और कैरियर के बारे में शायद तुम मुझसे अधिक जानते हो। अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारा डिसीजन सही है तो मैं और माँ तुम्हारे साथ हैं बेटे। सफलता तुम्हें मिलेगी और उस सफलता पर हमें गर्व भी होगा बेटे। और जहाँ तक बात है असफलता की, तो तुम्हारे जैसे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन और क्लियर थॉट वाले लड़के के लिए ये शब्द तो डिफाइन ही नहीं है बेटे।